Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends, I'm share with you how to connect Google AI Studio with Supabase. So friends, first step you need to do, access your account from here, go to get API keys. From here click create API keys. From important project, click import a project or click create a new project and then click create your project. So this is the first step you need to do. After that, just await. You should be get your API. You should be get your here API key access. Copy this one on access token, and then go to back here. After that, click create a case, and then you will Google AI Studio was successfully linked with Supabase. So this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video. This is your connection with Supabase, and this is your project.